This is a cheap plastic bathroom faucet. And the other day something broke inside of there when Elizabeth was turning the water off, and then it was dripping down underneath. So I need to replace this old cheap faucet with something a little bit better.
Here we go.
Yeah, wow.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. And our bathroom, is something that has been functional, but it's kind of old and outdated and just not looking very good. So it's something that we've been wanting to renovate for a while. We're still not quite ready to do that. We still have bigger priorities financially for other projects. But then this broke. So what we did is we went out and bought the faucet that we're eventually going to want in our new bathroom. And I'm just going to switch it out and put it here for now. And then when I do the upgrade renovation of the bathroom sometime in the future, then I'll have a good quality faucet to put with it. So the faucet that's in here, like I said, is cheap plastic. It was probably a $9.95 unit when it was put in, or $19.95. And it's old, and yeah, and it's too close here, and the water comes straight down. It's hard to get your hand in there. So here's the one that we bought to put in. We really like this. It's considerably higher quality, and it has this open trough that we really like the style of that. And it's also going to be higher and further away from the back of the sink, so it'll be a lot easier to get your hands in there after I get it installed. So replacing a faucet like this is really not a difficult thing to do. You can see underneath here somebody has cut holes into the wall to do something with the pipes in the past and never patched it because you can't see it when the doors are closed. But I already have the water turned off at the faucets right, or at the valves right here because it was leaking. So all I have to do is just take off this, unscrew that right there from the top of the valve. So there's one off, and I gotta go and get the other one. Okay, so I got the other side unscrewed, and now I have to reach up underneath. And I can't really get the camera up in there to show you what I'm doing, but I'll show you after I get it out, to unscrew the bottom of the kitchen faucet so that it'll, I keep saying kitchen, the bathroom faucet, so it'll come out. Okay, so now I was able to get under there and take this out. I couldn't show you because there's no room under there. I couldn't even see what I was doing. I had to reach up underneath of it and do it all by feel. But basically there's just these big plastic nuts right here that hold it, that clamp it on to the bottom underneath. All I have to do is just unscrew those and then it lifts right out. So I did that. And then this was really grungy from who knows how many years of that thing sitting there, and it took me quite a while to clean it and scrape it. It's still not completely clean, but that's about the best that I can do with it. So now I have the new faucet to put in there, and it already has the pipes attached to it. And if I had a sink with only one hole, and I could just put that in the one hole, that would be very clean looking. I would really like that. But this has 3 holes, So they give us this plate that we use, and we put down there, and it covers the other two, and then this goes in the center. So that'll also work. I would really like it if I didn't have to use this. I would like the clean look of that. Now the way this works, there's one little screw right here. See that bolt? I'll undo that and then take this metal plate down, and then I will put this through the hole, and then take that metal plate and that nut and put it up from underneath and tighten it up, and that's what will then clamp it to the sink. They even provided a wrench. This is just a plastic thing, but it's a wrench that's real long that'll fit right inside of there, so that I can just reach up, because I have to do this all by feel because I can't get under there to see it. But then I can just do that and tighten it up so it'll clamp to the sink. So that's a pretty cool system actually. So I'll go ahead and get that installed. Put that on there to cover those other two holes. Put the pipes down through. So that's what it'll look like. Now I gotta go underneath and put on the big washer thing and the nut from the underside, which of course I can't show you. So now I've got it screwed in place. It's all nice and tight. I really like the way it looks and feels. So now I just have to go underneath and attach the pipes, the hoses, to the valves and turn it on. Okay, so now I have these two pipes that come down from the faucet itself, and here's the valve, the shut-off valve. So all I need to do is just take this, screw it onto the top of the valve right there, like that, and then turn the valve on, and I should be good to go. I can't do that and get it on camera, there's just no room, but I'm going to go ahead and screw those two hoses onto the valves. Okay, so now you can see where I have the pipe right here. It comes down and it's screwed right here to the valve. So now it's time to open the valves and see if they're going to leak. Okay. So far I don't feel any leaks. Have to come back in a few minutes and check it again. There we go. Okay, dear one, you want to come and see your new faucet?
Okay, just... Oh man, is that cool! Is it okay to use it?
It's ready to go.
Oh, the last one you had to get like clear here up against the back.
Yep.
And it came straight down. And look at this, it's just...
It comes down right in the middle of the sink.
That is absolutely, look how sleek and just simple. It'll be easy to clean. I can even like clean all around in here.
And it'll be a lot easier to clean the base instead of cleaning around the faucet and the
Yes.
two knobs that were down there.
Yes, it's just going to be a simple matter just keeping that all wiped down there. And it looks so cool with the dark, so cool with the dark wood. And the dark, and then eventually when these walls get painted, it's going to be really pretty in here.
And we get that bottom vanity replaced. Of course, that's dark, but it's going to be darker to match this.
Yes.
Which matches that.
But this sink is, sometimes it looks like it's not even been cleaned, but it's been scrubbed. It's just very old and cracked. But we'll replace the sink top, and this wood down here will be real dark, like what we have here and here.
Yep.
Then I think I'm going to go with the walls white. I've been thinking maybe livable green. Oh, honey, thank you. 2 reasons. One is I just love it, and the other is it's nice to have a sink working in here.
Right.
Alrighty.
So it meets your approval.
Oh, I love it. And this is so easy. Smooth. I love the simplicity.
Yep.
And it looks really fancy, like I'm in a really fancy Mexican restaurant. They always, a lot of times, have those really cool.
Mexican.
Yeah. Well, we were just at a Mexican restaurant that had these kind of sinks.
Okay.
So I guess that's what made me think of it. Okay, thank you.
So there we go, another successful project. Actually, that only took me really only a few minutes. The most time-consuming thing was scraping all that crud off of where the old one was underneath of it. Once I got the sink clean, if you take out the cleaning part, I think the whole rest of it took me maybe 20 minutes.
Okay.
So it's really a fast and easy project if you know what you're doing.
Well, I absolutely love it. Thank you. I appreciate that very much.
So thanks for watching, everybody.
Yeah.
Live simple,
Live free.
you be blessed.
We love you guys.
We'll see you
Bye-bye.
next time.
Make it cold.